Y'all want to hear how my grandmother talk? This is how she talk. Where you going? You put them sheets in the dryer? Like, God, dog, Fefe, I'm right here. I'm in the same vicinity. I ain't across the road. I ain't across the street. I ain't in the other room. I'm right here screaming. Lord, them sheets go sour in the dryer. God, dog, I'm trying to move around. Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. You put them sheets in the dryer? Nah, look, she calling me right now. I'm telling you, I wish you could see that she calling me. I'm telling you. Lord have mercy. From Ruston, Louisiana, Lord help me.